Welcome to this channel. Today we will show you how to add timestamp to video. More and more people are fond of traveling with their family or friends on various holidays. You will also shoot the travel vlog to record the wonderful moments. Many people also express their desire to re-edit the captured video, such as adding time or other watermarks to the video. So, are there any tools on the market that can add watermarks? This tutorial will introduce you to a magical image and video processing tool, Watermark Cloud. Following this tutorial, you can quickly add watermarks to the video. Step 1. Enter Watermark Cloud official website. First, you can enter the official website of Watermark Cloud, and then click Upload to see the various functions of Watermark Cloud. Step 2. Click Video Watermark. Next, in order to add a timestamp to the video, you just need to click Video Watermark. Step 3. Upload video to be watermarked. Next, click Plus Add Video, and you can upload the video in the local file to the Watermark Cloud. Step 4. Edit Watermark. After selecting the appropriate watermark adding tool, you can edit the appropriate timestamp, and then adjust the color, font and size of the timestamp in the red box. Step 5. Start to add timestamp. After editing the parameters of the timestamp, you only need to click Start, and the Watermark Cloud can help you add the timestamp to the video. Step 6. Save new video. The Watermark Cloud will generate a new video for you. This new video will also be automatically saved in your local file. Learn more about the product from the official website.